So you're finally doing it. You've booked the flights, picked the lodges, and now you're staring at an empty suitcase wondering, what on earth do I pack for the African bush? The short answer is that you're packing for 3 different climates in a single day, all while fitting it into a bag that probably needs to be soft-sided and surprisingly light. But more than just clothes, you're packing for a shift in perspective. To get this right, you have to strike a balance between rugged utility and effortless comfort, ensuring that nothing stands between you and that first glimpse of a leopard in the high yellow grass. The golden rule of safari style isn't about looking like a Hollywood explorer. It's about blending in. You want to prioritize a palette of earthy tones. Think khaki, olive, tan, and stone. There's a practical reason for this beyond just the aesthetic. Bright whites act like a signal flare to wildlife, while dark blues and blacks are like a magnet for the notorious flies in certain regions. You want to be a ghost in the landscape. Start with layers because the temperature swing is dramatic. Your pre-dawn game drive will be freezing as the wind whips through the open-sided vehicle, requiring a warm fleece or a light down jacket. But by noon, the equatorial sun is relentless, and you'll be peeling back those layers down to a breathable linen or moisture-wicking shirt. When it comes to trousers, versatility is your best friend. Zip-off cargo pants might feel a bit cliché, but in the bush, they are worth their weight in gold. If you prefer something else, just ensure the fabric is durable and comfortable for long hours of sitting. And don't forget your feet. Unless you're embarking on a multi-day walking safari, you don't actually need heavy ankle-high hiking boots. A pair of sturdy closed-toe trail shoes or high-quality sneakers with good grip will handle the dusty terrain just fine. Just leave the heels and formal shoes at home. Even the most luxury lodges embrace a safari chic dress code that is decidedly relaxed. Beyond the wardrobe, the magic of a safari is often found in the details of your gear. Your binoculars are perhaps your most important tool. Don't rely solely on the guide's pair. Having your own allows you to catch the flick of an ear or the texture of a bird's plumage without waiting your turn. Pair these with a wide-brimmed hat, one with a chin strap so it doesn't fly off when the rover hits top speed, and high SPF sunscreen. Even on overcast days, the African sun is deceptive. Finally, remember that space is a premium. Many bush flights use small light aircraft with strict weight limits, often around 15 kilograms, and they require soft-sided duffel bags because hard suitcases simply won't fit in the hold. This forces you to pack light, but most lodges offer daily laundry services, so you really only need 3 or 4 changes of clothes. Throw in a universal power adapter, a high-capacity power bank for your camera, and a small personal first aid kit with plenty of insect repellent and some basic antihistamines. When you zip that bag closed, you should feel light and ready. You aren't just packing gear, you're packing the ability to move through the wild with ease, leaving you free to focus on the roar of a lion under a canopy of stars.